sunshine. Ah, yeah. Ah, ah, okay. We will get the long tail. Long tail of the Jamashimashita. Oh, very big aloe vera, giant aloe vera. And this is the roaster that have a big, I have a long feeders. The mountain, yeah, the mountain, and what is down. Oh, turkey. Oh, four. This one? This one only? Inside? Who? Peacock? Where's the one? Can I inside? Can I go inside?
That's much.
Ah, there's a hole. Kinds of chicken. Wow. Look at these guys. Broiler. Oops. Hi. Konnichiwa. O genki desu ka?
For fighting.
Oh, this is for fighting. Fighting. And where's the long? Hi. Hi, thank you. All kinds of chicken is here, guys. Nalaylay mo siya balongabing timanok. Hello. Sleeping. Hello. Ah, cute. Sleeping. Stay healthy, everyone. Where is the long tail? Oh, this one. Ah, there, guys. This chicken. This chicken has a long tail. Look at this, guys. There. The long tail of the chicken. I hope you can see it. like this, like that. The other one also there. Oh, and then the tail is down there, very long. That one, that is the tail of the chicken over there. I hope you can see it, guys. There. Another is here. There. And the tail also is very long, guys. Over. Look at this, guys. There. One more. Like this. They have trophy. Wait, Daddy. This. Bye-bye, chickens. That's all. Thank you, guys. I hope you like my video. There. Long tail. 1, 2, 3. They have long tail. There. Thank you, guys. Let's go down. Ryoma Sakamoto, the hero of Japan. So, Ryoma Sakamoto desu ka? And over there, they're very nice. Sorry. Tuto. How about here? Inside the cave. Cute water. Natural water from the mountain. Many trees. Wow. Okay, guys, I will take this one. And very long escalator here. That one, very long escalator. There, very long escalator going to the sea. And then the trees. Ooh. And then this one is very cute, very natural. Thank you guys. Bye. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like please, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you will be updated to my next video guys. Thank you so much for all your support. Stay safe and may God bless us all. Bye.